Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is a Ariston hot water heater in my dad's office. We have a little tiny hot water heater because all it heats is this one sink here. This is my dad's bathroom. We have a 110 volt outlet. It's controlled by a switch, so when we leave, we flip the switch off. We come in, we flip it on. Valve. Cold water coming in. It goes through a variety of heating elements, and then it goes back out this pipe here. And that's up there. Goes out to the house. Not the house. Goes to this sink, and I don't know, it goes somewhere else. Does a little bit more. Down here we just have a switch. Main switch. And I need to tell my dad to put some piping on here that goes down to the floor. So that's the code. Yep. It's a pretty simple little hot water heater with a Dyson ball vacuum cleaner there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.